left wrist, some old-fashioned key, but the teeth look like a skull, and there's some red lettering next to it.
Did you say a skull key, red lettering on his left wrist?
Yeah.
Okay, stay on the line. Do not engage with him. We're sending units now.
What? Why? What? The girl from earlier? She just asked where the ladies were.
And what did you say to her?
Told her where the toilets were.
You think I'm going to believe that?
Try and keep him calm, okay? We need him there.
Look, mate, come on. What's with the attitude? You want to buy regulars? I'm sure she's just gone in there, she's touching up her makeup, making sure she looks good, and then she's going to go straight back out again. What else could she possibly be doing?